Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? Welcome back to the screen of my phone. So, in this video today, we'll be talking about how you can make money watching video. So, I've seen a lot of YouTube videos online on how they lecture or say how you can make money by watching videos, most especially gift cards. And gift cards in Nigeria now are really a big deal. Like you can make up to maybe like $5,000, $3,000 with a gift card. And considering the fact that Naira is really going high these days, everybody wants to learn how to make money in dollars. So follow me while I review this website on how you can watch movies online and make money. You understand? In the meantime, if you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and comment your state in the comment section, so I will make videos about how to make money online that accept your states or your country. And if you have not joined our Telegram group, what are you waiting for? The link is in the description box. Please hit it and join the Telegram group. So now, for us to make money watching videos online, the first thing we have to do is to download a particular app. So this the first thing I'll be doing here is to open my Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, you'll be opening your Apple Store. So this is how my Play Store looks like. I'll be using this search button and I'll be searching for Tubo VPN. Now this VPN, I actually have it on my phone because sometimes when you want to know how to make money online, you need to have this type of apps on your phone to make your search fast or to make other routes of making money online faster for you. Now Tubo VPN is like one of the best so far that I can recommend. So as you can see, it's already installed. I'll just click on this open. They have the paid version, but this is actually the free version that you can actually get without wasting any money. And once you open it, it looks for the best, like the fastest internet route for you. So what I have here is Germany, as you can see, and it is faster. As you can see down here, I've spent like almost more than 3 minutes, about 4 minutes on this Tubo VPN. So once you open it now, any website you'll be opening now will be seeing you as if you are in Germany, and that's the most important thing. Anyways, if you have people in the US, in the UK, someone in Nigeria that has just jackpot and maybe they are trying to settle down, you can send them a link of this website to them, or you can send them a link of this video so that they'll go and sign up on this website, because this website literally accepts people from I think they have more works or more videos for people from the first country, whatever, like US, UK, Canada, Germany. They have much more videos for them to watch and they pay much more money. You understand? And they have other means of receiving their payment. So as you can see here, I'll be opening my Chrome browser. Okay, now here on my Chrome browser, I'll be typing in quick rewards, quickrewards.net. Once the website opens up, this is what you see. So as you can see, it says complete surveys, play games, watch videos, complete offers, shop online, quick redemptions, no minimum for PayPal or quick payment, weekly mailing of gift cards. So majorly what we were after is after gift cards, because most of Nigerians are not allowed to open a PayPal account. So we need a way for you to make money without over stressing it, or even when you don't have a PayPal account, you still receive your payment. So we are using gift card. Gift card is just like an electronic form of, cash. For those people that don't know, it's an electronic form of cash that you can sell even here in Nigeria. Just send your code to any gift card vendor. You understand? So they will send you money in exchange, like the equivalent in exchange back. Please beware of scammers. There are scammers online. In case you work on this website, make sure you're sending your gift card to a verified person to get your money, your value back. So here you can see directly under it you have what is called register. They're already asking you to register directly under it. So when we scroll down, as you can see, it says the minimum you can redeem is like 1 cent. So you don't even have to make up to a lot of money. You don't have to stress yourself on this website before you get paid. You can make as low as 1 cent. And as you can see, it says they've paid $7 million over the past years, and they've been online since 2002. So if you calculate since 2002 till date, it means that they've been online over 21 years. You understand? They've been online over 21 years, and they've been paying out and making money. Their BB rating is A plus, so they do not have any issues. But the point now is we're trying to register, right? So let's just hit on it and get started with it. So here you have to put in your email, you have to put in your password, you have to confirm your password. Now you need to tell them how many emails they should send to your mail in a day. So I think one per day is okay. Then you need to click on this agree to terms, agree to privacy policy. Then I am not a robot, and then you hit this next button. Stand is country restricted. Like I said I'm reviewing it, so obviously this website does not even accept VPN. But there are other websites which I'll be sharing with you in my next videos that accept VPN. I'll make sure of that. This one is only like restricted to US residents and Canada residents. You understand? So if you have someone that just jackpot to US or Canada, you can send them the link to this website for them to start making money, because there is no harm in watching videos and actually making money. So it says earn free PayPal, free Amazon gift card, and free in-store shop gift card to nearly 50 national retailers and restaurants, including Walmart, Disney, Target, Home Depot, Red Lobster, Coil, Domino's Pizza, Best Buy, Game Shop, and more. So their gift card, actually, if you're in the US or Canada, you can use their gift card in places like Walmart to shop for stuff that you want. In restaurant like Domino's Pizza, you can use it as a pizza, whatever. Instead of paying in cash, you'll be paying them with with this gift card here. And on this same website, you can take surveys, you can play games, you can watch videos, you can shop, you can take different offers. So guys, not to worry, I'll be creating another video about website that really accept you with your VPN. But this particular website, I've been here for so long, so their restriction is really tight, and their security level is paramount, like very important to them. So they're not even accepting people from Africa. So what I will do here is in my next video, I'll create a video about those that accept people from Africa and how you can watch videos, and be sure that we're getting paid for watching videos. So if you like this channel, please do what to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and comment your country. Let me know where you're watching us from so that we'll create videos about your own country as well. So without wasting much of our time, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you.